Hello and welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at the structure of an atom. Now an atom is the building block of matter, but they themselves are made up of what we call subatomic particles. This is a typical atom. On the inside we have a nucleus, and the nucleus is composed of what we call nucleons. The nucleons themselves, we've got two types. We've got protons, which are positively charged, so we can say that they have a charge of +1. We've got neutrons, which have no charge at all, so they have a charge of 0. And we've got these tiny little things called electrons, which kind of whiz round on the outside, and they have a charge of -1. On a typical atom, you have the same number of protons and electrons. This means the positive charges and the negative charges, they balance out. So here we've got 2 protons, and therefore we should have 2 electrons to make it balanced out. So I'm going to draw another one here. So now we have an electrically neutral atom. Okay? The other thing that you must know about subatomic particles are their relative masses. Now these things are tiny, you can't just put it on a scale and measure the mass, but we can give it a number. So for the protons, we're going to give a number of 1. So a proton has a mass of just 1 unit. The neutrons are the same size as the protons, so we're going to say that their mass is also 1. I really ought to label this mass up here. And this one is charge. Okay? Now the electrons, these are incredibly small, and so they've got a mass much smaller, and it's actually 1 divided by 1840, or you could write it as 0.0005. Okay, up to you which one you want to use. So just to summarize, this is what an atom is. You've got positive protons, neutral neutrons, and negative electrons. Electrons are tiny, which means they've got a very, very small mass. Protons and neutrons are much bigger, and the mass is much higher as a result. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.